Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine, and we have another TubeBuddy tutorial. Today we're going to take a look at emojis. Emojis have been popping up in search, and you want to put them into your YouTube videos, and TubeBuddy will allow you to do that easy and just simple as that. Jeffrey Powers from Geekazine, Think Magazine, put in a geek. You can find me over on the socials. Just search Geekazine and you're there. Now, emojis have been popping up ever since we started using our mobile devices. We don't want to say Apple. We want to just show an apple. We don't want to say Christmas tree. We want to just show a Christmas tree. And of course, as the iPhone, as the Android device, all these other mobile devices are getting more powerful, they're adding more emojis, and you see lots of news on it. Bing decided to put emojis into their search engines. And Google first, they said, nah, we're not going to do that. But then they realized the power of the search with emojis, and they decided, okay, we're going to put it in there. So now, if you're doing an SEO type plan, you've got to start thinking of emojis into your documents, into your titles, in your words, into your tags. And that is where TubeBuddy comes in. What is TubeBuddy? TubeBuddy is a program that you can use to make your YouTube life simpler. You can download the app for free. Put it on. It's an extension onto your browser. But then, of course, when you're really getting serious and you're doing a lot of videos, you want to get TubeBuddy. And we've got a great little affiliate code right here. Get TubeBuddy over at tubebuddy.com/geek. tubebuddy.com/geek. Of course, that helps me keep the lights on and create these great tutorials for you to understand what's going on and why you should be using something like TubeBuddy. Anyway, so TubeBuddy, some of the things that TubeBuddy does is it allows you to create these annotations. So you just have to move them, bulk them over. So you create a new video, you say, I want those annotations, bulk annotations over to the next one. I want the tags. Oh, I want to move the tags. And I do this all the time. I take the tags and there's a copy button, and I copy it. And when I create my blog, I put all the tags in there like that. It's easy. There's a lot of things that TubeBuddy does that just automates it for you, and that's what's so cool about it. So check it out, tubebuddy.com/geek. Thank you very much on here. So anyway, and of course, if you want to be part of the Patreon movement, this is my Patreon. I'll be a patron over at patreon.com/geekazine. Be a part of the Scony Geek Nation and go from there. All right. Let's get into this really quick. I'll show you how this works. So I pulled up one of my videos I just did on Blue Microphone's Raspberry. And when I did that, I actually created an emoji, and I just realized, that, yeah, I actually had a space in the wrong spot there. Okay, so as you can see, I have an emoji in the title, and I also have, if you scroll down a little bit, I have emojis in the tags, 2 microphone emojis in the tags. So if anybody searches using these emojis, boom, they're going to find this Blue Microphone's Raspberry Small Yet Powerful. So how do you do it? Well, and of course, if you got YouTube and you don't have this extension set up, then you're not going to see this. But if you look on the title here, you look to the right, you have this little smiley face. And if you switch over to the into the main area, that smiley face will move to you. You switch over to the tags, the smiley face will move to you. It'll go back up and forth. Any place that you can put in text, the smiley face should show up. As you can see, I put in a smiley face with hearts on it. And I put the tags. I put 2 microphones in the tags there. So let's put something into the main description. So we're reviewing the Blue Microphone's Raspberry. Let's see. I want to put that microphone. So I press on that little smiley face, and it comes up with the TubeBuddy emoji area. It gives me the recently used ones. I got the 2 microphones and the smiley face and the hands, but I can go through a whole bunch of them. I mean, they got the smileys, they got the plants. We can go to foods. We got sports. We got mobile, I guess, cars and tractors and rocket ships and stuff like that. We got time. We got some smartphone stuff here. And time. This is perfect. We'll do this. We're going to do the smartphone here. So I say reviewing the Blue Microphone's portable condenser mic. We'll change that up for your iOS, and then we're going to hit here, and then we're going to put that in there. As you can see, it just added the mobile right there and your computer. And then we'll go back into the emoticons, and we'll go back over there. Where'd that go? There we are. Let's see, is there a computer one? Yes, there is right there. Oh, we got a laptop one. We'll do the laptop. And of course, I'm going to put in a microphone. And poof, I've just put in emojis into my description on my videos. Now I'm going to go up here and I'm going to save the changes and go from there. Now keep in mind, if you don't have this extension installed, you don't see this little emoji thing. You don't have that option. You might be able to install an emoji keyboard to give you the emojis, which you can copy and paste into there. But this one is really straightforward. You just press that button. There you go. You can use your recent ones and go from there. Color it up and get some more vibrance into your descriptions. Now let's do this. Let's just we saved this. Let's go back to the video here. And as you can see, there it is, the emoji right there. And we're gonna hit on the video, and we're gonna pause it because there's gonna be like a commercial. We don't want the commercial. But as you can see, there's the emoji right there, and there's emojis right here. I'm not gonna click on anything or else it'll take me right back to the edit screen. We didn't want that. But anyway, there you go. You've got emojis right here, right here. You've got a new way to search for your videos and maybe get some new subscribers, maybe get some more views, especially on the mobile devices when they're starting to search using these emojis of microphones and smiley faces and all that other stuff. It's a whole new language, and I know a lot of people use that as an actual language. And getting into it and understanding how that works can help not only on your YouTube side, but if you have an actual website where you're putting in titles and descriptions and stuff like that, adding the emojis to that is very important. TubeBuddy helps you do that a lot easier. And of course, you can get your TubeBuddy by going over to tubebuddy.com/geek. And that's my affiliate code helping me keep the lights on. And I thank you very much for that. If you have any questions, you can get me at Geekazine, Think Magazine, put in a geek, and go from there. And of course, follow me on the socials, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and all that. This has been the TubeBuddy tutorial, adding emojis to your videos. My name is Jeffrey Powers. Thanks a lot for watching. You guys geek out, and we'll see you next time.